Ever wonder why guppies are the absolute kings and queens of the freshwater aquarium world? They're colorful, they're hyperactive, and honestly, they have massive personalities for such tiny fish. But if you think you can just throw them in a bowl and call it a day, well, you're setting yourself up for heartbreak. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate, no-nonsense guide to keeping your guppies thriving, healthy, and colorful. Let's dive in. Tank size requirements. Minimum size 5 gallons for a small trio. The sweet spot 10 to 20 gallons. This gives you room for a happy colony and keeps the water chemistry stable. Pro tip: guppies are tough, but they thrive in harder water with a stable pH. Temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, 22 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Guppies are omnivores, meaning they eat their veggies and their meat. If you want those neon reds, blues, and yellows to absolutely pop, you cannot feed them cheap, low-quality flakes every single day. The menu. The base high-quality tropical fish flakes or micropellets. The treats 1 to 2 times a week: frozen or freeze-dried brine shrimp, bloodworms, or daphnia. The veggies: they love snacking on algae. And you can even drop in a blanched, tiny piece of zucchini or spinach occasionally. The golden rule of feeding. Feed 1 to 2 times a day. Only give them what they can completely finish in 2 minutes. Anything left over sinks to the bottom, rots, and spikes toxic ammonia levels. Now, we have to talk about the elephant in the room: breeding. Guppies are leve bearers, which is a fancy way of saying they don't lay eggs. They drop fully formed, swimming babies. And they do it all the time. The ratio rule. If you mix males and females, always keep a ratio of 1 male to 2 or 3 females. Why? Male guppies are relentless. If you have too many males, they will stress the females to death. Want to avoid babies entirely? Just keep a bachelor pad of all male guppies. They are the more colorful ones anyway. Friendly neighbors, tank mates. Guppies are incredibly peaceful. Don't pair them with fin nippers like tiger barbs or large predatory fish. Instead, choose neon tetras, Corydoras catfish, harlequin rasboras, saxed ixoki, cherry shrimp or mystery snails, dwarf gourami. The secret to long-lived guppies isn't expensive gear, it's consistency. Here is your quick weekly chore list to keep the tank pristine. Weekly 20% to 25% water change. Siphon the gravel to get rid of waste, and always use a water dechlorinator conditioner for the new tap water. Monthly filter rinse. Gently rinse your filter sponge only in old tank water, never tap water, or you'll kill the beneficial bacteria. And that's it. Provide them clean water, a warm tank, a varied diet, and watch out for the baby boom. And you'll have a thriving, vibrant underwater world right in your room. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more aquarium setups and care guides, and drop a comment below. Are you team all-male bachelor tank or team breeding colony? Thanks for watching, and happy fish keeping.